Welcome back, brothers and sisters. Welcome back to African Metaphysical Center for Spiritual Healing, Body, Mind, and Spirit Development. I am your host, Kufu Amun Ra, your metaphysical practitioner, Reiki master, Qigong instructor, Bond practitioner, and mystic. Today's topic is dark matter consciousness, the invisible architecture of reality. Did you know that 85% of the universe is dark matter, invisible, undetectable? Yet without it, galaxies would fly apart and reality as we know it wouldn't exist. 85% of your mind is subconscious, invisible, operating below awareness, yet it controls your heartbeat, stores every memory you've ever had, and runs the program that shapes your entire reality. Coincidence or blueprint? The invisible holds everything together. Science can't see dark matter, but they know it's there because of what it does. It bends space. It pulls galaxies into formation. It's the framework of existence itself. Your consciousness works the same way. You can't touch it, measure it, or prove it exists to anyone but yourself. Yet, it's the only thing you've never doubted. Every experience you've ever had happened inside it. What if consciousness isn't something your brain produces, but something your brain receives? Like a radio tuning into a frequency that was always there. What if you're not in the universe? You are the universe. Experience itself through a temporary focal point. Then comes the dream. Every night you do something absolutely impossible that we've completely normalized. You leave consensus reality and enter another dimension. Dream walking. When you dream, your physical body lies paralyzed, but you, the real you, walks through the world that don't follow physics. You fly. You meet people who don't exist. You visit places that vanish when you wake up. Time bends. Logic breaks. Yet in the moment, it feels completely real. Here's what breaks everything. In your dreams, you're both the dreamer and the dream. You create the entire landscape, every character, every plot twist, yet you're also surprised by what happens. You're the architect and the explorer simultaneously. You're the dark matter that holding that reality together while experiencing it as if it's external. Sound familiar? Waking life is dream walking in slow motion. What if this reality works the same way? What if your consciousness is the dark matter generating the hologram you call real life, but you've forgotten you're doing it? In dreams, your expectations shape reality instantly. Think of a door, it appears. Fear a monster, it manifests. Your consciousness collapses probabilities into experience in real time. In waking life, it just takes longer. We call it manifestation, synchronicity, self-fulfilling prophecy. But it's the same mechanism, consciousness, bending reality around its focus. The evidence is everywhere. Quantum physics proved observation affects outcome. The double slit experiment showed particles exist in probability until consciousness observes them into position. Placebo effects prove belief alters biology. Your thoughts literally restructure your cells. Every spiritual tradition across history said the same thing in different languages. Reality is consciousness experiencing itself. Maya, the Tao, Brahman, the kingdom of heaven within. You've been dream walking your whole life. Every morning you wake up and forget you're the dreamer. You think you're just a character in someone else's story, subject to random forces beyond your control. But watch what happens when you become lucid in a dream. When you suddenly remember you're dreaming while still in the dream, everything changes. You can fly, walk through walls, create anything, face your fears, and watch them dissolve. The same awakening is available here. When you realize this is a dream and your consciousness is the dark matter holding it all together, you stop being a victim of circumstances and become the architect of experience. Your consciousness is not local. When you dream of someone, or are they in your head, or are you accessing a shared file? When you think of a person that they text you seconds later, is that coincidental or entanglement? Dark matter isn't just in one place. It's the invisible web becoming or connecting everything. Your consciousness isn't trapped in your skull. It's the field you're swimming in, the ocean pretending to be a wave. Every night when you dream walk, you prove you're more than your body. You travel without moving. You create without hands. You experience entire lifetimes in minutes. You are dark matter consciousness having a human dream. The shift. Stop sleepwalking through the waking dream. Start dream walking with intention. Your thoughts are not random. They're the dark matter shaping your reality. Your dreams are not meaningless. They're your consciousness showing you how it works. Your life is not predetermined. It's a lucid dream waiting for you to wake up inside it. 85% of the universe is invisible force holding everything together, and 85% of you is invisible force holding your reality together. You're not in the cosmos. You are the cosmos, dreaming itself awake, one conscious breath at a time. The question isn't whether you're dream walking. The question is, when will you become lucid? Until next time, ashe, ashe, ashe.